Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our fruit for thought, so let's get into it and check it out. Fruit for thought is always the most fun themed box. She does such a great job of theming it. It used to be just fruits and vegetables, but now she just does a theme. Sometimes it revolves around fruits and vegetables, sometimes it's a place, but she always does such a great job with theme. I will put all of the information for Fruit for Thought down below. This box was sent to me for review and I have a code Catherine10 I will put down below. It will get you 10% off your subscription of any length. So that's a really good code. Let's get this baby open, see what our theme is and what we got. Ooh, ripped her right open. This is July and our theme is Hawaiian Luau. How much fun is that gonna be? So much fun. This is our card. It tells us what our theme is this month, what our theme will be next month, and it tells you a little bit about each of the products. Quit cheating. Digging right in. Oh my gosh. Stick them anywhere, dashboard, desk, or wherever you want. It's a bobblehead and it's a little Hawaiian girl. Oh my goodness, how adorable is that? That is so cute. What does the paperwork say? Fun hula girl bobblehead to stick on your dashboard, desk, or wherever you want to make you think of being at a luau. Hold on. That is, oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. I will absolutely find somewhere absolutely fun to put her right up to the point where one of my girls sees her and thinks that she's adorable and I let her take it. But that is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Next out, I have a food thing of some sort. Hawaiian hula rub, handcrafted, yum. Perfect seasoning for beef, pork, or chicken. That is what that looks like. We love seasonings around here. I love the extra flavoring. I love trying new things. So this is fantastic. I can't use it until I've done with my Whole30 because so many things aren't compliant, but let's see. Yeah, the second ingredient is brown sugar. So I can't use it yet, but oh, I can sniff it. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells fantastic. So good. I think I see sesame seeds and I see garlic. Oh my gosh, that smells fantastic. We're gonna love that. Hudson Valley salt, brown sugar, dehydrated soy sauce, red chili flakes, sesame seeds, ginger, and dried garlic. Yeah. It's like it would taste good on meat or even vegetables with the ginger and the garlic. If you wanted kind of an Asian feel with the soy sauce, that sounds delicious. I cannot wait. Okay, next out, oh, it's big and heavy. Pineapple kiwi bubble tea smoothie bath and shower gel. That sounds delicious. Oh, it smells like pineapple. That smells like pineapple. I mean, pineapple. Like, there's pineapple in here. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I've had bubble tea products before and really enjoyed them, especially the scents of them. What does this say? Transform bath time into a fruity haven with bubble tea cosmetics, pineapple and kiwi bath and shower body wash. Gentle on your skin and aids relaxation, sending you to the tropics. Also, this said, when you're longing for a secret award-winning Polynesian flavor, this sweet and savory Hawaiian all-purpose seasoning blend by The Spice Lab will bring a delicious Hawaiian taste to your grilled fare. Yeah, that smells delicious. I bet it is. Next out, speaking of Whole30 and wanting to show love, but I just can't, we have Hawaiian Sweets Company Fudgelets. And they are 12 little tasty bites of fudge in all those flavors. My husband's in a meeting or I would get him out here to taste one. But we have milk chocolate, dark chocolate, strawberry guava. Can you hear me getting messages? Maui mud pie, passion fruit orange guava, Hawaiian wedding cake. I mean, it just goes on and on. And they're just little pieces of fudge. It's probably one little bite you're gonna pop in your mouth, and that is such a nice, what, does it have nutrition on it? And it gives us a scan code for ingredients and nutritional information. Yum, I cannot wait. And last out we have, looks like gummies. Let's see what the thing says. This says Forever Sweet Candy Kebabs. Fun and colorful gummy candy kebab with an under the sea theme by Kabalance Chocolates. It says it's an under the sea theme. I can't see why. I will show it to you guys in case I am missing something incredibly obvious. It is absolutely adorable. See what I mean? Doesn't she just do the most fantastic theming? She said you were gonna get Hawaiian luau, and we got Hawaiian luau. We got this cute under the sea themed kebab, the pineapple that smells exactly like pineapple. Shower gel, pineapple and kiwi, I think it says, but I can only smell the pineapple. The Hawaiian hula rub smells fantastic. Cannot wait to try that. These fudges from Hawaiian Sweets. I mean, who doesn't want to take just one little tiny bite of a piece of fudge? That sounds fantastic. And then we have our little hula girl. She's so cute. And much to my surprise, when I was getting ready to do my flat lay pictures for Instagram and messing with the shred at the bottom of the box, I found this lovely dolphin anklet. Isn't it so cute? So you see that it goes into that one little ring there, but you could use any part of that chain that's coming out that backside until you get to the very end to make it fit so many different sized ankles. So this was a really fun surprise to find at the bottom of the box. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I want to thank Fruit for Thought for sending this over. They have given us a code, Catherine10. You will get 10% off your subscription, any length that you choose. And I hope you have a great evening. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.